calculated, and that impedance is called R thevenin. As we studied in Norton theorem, Thevenin theorem, something like that. Understand my point? So this is the combined effect of that resistance, R thevenin. So the R, L, impedance and resistance, something if it is paired, so a resistance should be equal to this R thevenin for maximum power transfer from this source. Understand? So how push this? Look at over here, this RL is variable. When I vary this RL, and the power P is like kind of sine wave, half of the sine wave, positive half sine. So look at over here. The power is increasing at then peak point, and after that, when I increase that load resistance, the power is decreasing. Why? Because this is mismatching over here, and the maximum power is occur on a point when this RL is equal to R thevenin. Understand my point? Understand my point or not?
Yes, sir.
So let's prove that. है ना? जब कभी look at over here, when you buy a sound system or loudspeaker, loudspeaker to your car, and yet when you connect that big loudspeaker to your car sound system, and the result is not that much, good, as you reckon that this speaker is very big and I buy for the huge sound, and this system is like good one but didn't get that much sound. Why? That is a mismatching of that loudspeaker with this system, because loudspeaker is over here and your car sound system is over here. This should be matched. Your loudspeaker have a specific resistance, and that resistance should be equal to R thevenin of your car sound system. If it is not that, the sound will be not that much. And when this loudspeaker will be give you a huge sound, when this loudspeaker impedance is equal to R thevenin, then it will be give you a huge sound over here, maximum power. Tissue? And this is the case for transmitting antenna. Tissue, transmitting antenna, mobile system, radio, television, उसके जो है ना transmitting antenna also होते हैं ना. Even your mobile set have an antenna inside. Before that, the antenna was outside, external antenna. तासो तने यदि हमें याद है जब वो मोबाइल के साथ external antenna हुआ करता था. दारंगो बंदम शो, ग्लोबम शो. Nowadays, the antenna is inside of that mobile set, and this antenna should be matched. This antenna impedance should be matched with your phone or thevenin for maximum power transfer. For maximum power transfer, what if your mobile antenna is not matched your phone set impedance or R thevenin? What will happen when you call somebody? Your sound will be not as that transfer or power to reach to the receiving end. Not maximum power will be transferred. Understand my point?
Yes, sir.
तब खबर है कि खुद सा आवाज बा एंटीना मैक्सिमम पावर तक नहीं बुझी. Whatever mismatch. उसे कल अगर match, when it is matched to your phone set, when you talk to somebody, your sound will be clear and have a maximum power for transfer. Understand my point?
Yes.
उदाहरण से कम मोबाइल टावर में भी एंटीना लगा हुआ होता है. वहां पे भी हम क्या करते हैं? मैचिंग ऑफ द एंटीना इंपीडेंस. with rest of the system. For example, mobile tower. This is mobile tower, you know. This one. Here it is in antenna, transmitting or something like that. Something like this kind of antenna is where. Antenna? Yes. On base side of this mobile tower, we have a system. Amplifier, modulator, electronic circuits, generator, battery bank, everything. And this system having resistance. And this antenna, this is the connecting two point. When I disconnect this antenna, this open circuit, and off all the sources, voltage source and current sources, and find the R thevenin over here. There will be some value for this system. Understand my point? Yes. Now, I will connect an antenna with these 2 points or connector, which have an impedance equal to that R thevenin for maximum power transfer. Otherwise, there will be a poor signal transmitting from this antenna. कोई का कोई नहीं कहता मैच न शुदे सर, अगर इसके साथ ये मैच नहीं हुआ है, मैंने वो वाला एंटीना नहीं लगाया जिसकी इंपीडेंस आर थेवेनिन की बराबर है, तो मैक्सिमम पावर जो है ना सिग्नल की ट्रांसमिट नहीं करेगा ये एंटीना। उधर जो मोबाइल सेट यहाँ से कनेक्टेड है, वो जो रिसीव करेगा वो वीक सिग्नल भी रिसीव करेगा, वो उसका जो है ना वो या जो है इसकी पावर बहुत देर मतलब दूर तक नहीं जाएगी, पावर नहीं है, not transmitting that signal far away from that point. Okay. Yeah. So for matching of load with the system is very important for maximum power transfer. So this theorem tells us that the load impedance should be equal to this R thevenin for maximum power transfer. Understand my points? Look at to the small example. What I am saying. Look at over here. For example, plus minus 10 volts. For example, R thevenin 6 ohm for example. And this is load. That may be your car sound system speaker, or maybe transmitting antenna, maybe receiving antenna, receive antenna. Understand that part? Now I am looking for the power. How much power is absorbed by this load? I will consider 3 values for this. For example, one is 4 ohm, one is 6 ohm, and one is 8 ohm. Understand? For 4 ohm, I will saw that how much power is transferred or how much power is kind of absorbed by this load. Then I will connect 6 ohm and calculate the power. Then I will connect 8 ohm. Understand my point? For example, for first one, 6. For 4, 10 volt, 6, 4 ohm. How much a current? Total current I is equal to V by R. V is 10 and this is 10 because these are connected in series. So how much a current? That is in 1 ampere. How much a power is dissipated by this 4 ohm? P is equal to I square R. So I is 1 square 4, that is in 4 watt. Understand? 4 watt for 4 ohm resistor of the load. Now consider 6. Understand? Plus minus 10 volt. 6 ohm of our given load is 6 ohm. How much a current? Current I is equal to V by R. R is in series. V is 10. How much is this one? 12. That is 0 point something. देखो जाओगा 10 तक सीधे 0.833 ampere. Understand? How much power dissipated by this 6 ohm? E is equal to I square R and I is 0.833 का square. शाबाश आपसे कवा ज़रबेचीन शाबाकाना टोलो ना
Yes, sir. 4 point.
da dentro square वाला स्क्वायर
Yes, sir.
बेदी चीज़ है ज़रा बस सोना
4.1633
4.1633
ampere.
ampere ना watt.
Yes, sir. What?
This is the second case. How about the third one? Plus minus 10 volt. Load resistance is 8. 8 6. Understand? How much a current? Current I is equal to V by R. V is 10, R is 40. Because series के रहेगा.
Yes, sir.
Change हो जाएगा. सोलह सौ
0.71
0.71
42
42
or 8.
8 ampere.
Yes, sir.
How much power dissipated by this 8 ohm RL? P 0.7148 per square. That is I square R into 8. How much is this one?
Four point zero eight one
4.0815
watt.
So which value is maximum for these three power? For example, that is P1, that is P2, that is P3. 4.1633 and 4.08. So this one is maximum. For less of the RL, because 4 is less than 6, or thing 6, 4 is less, power is 4. When it is 6, it is more than 4. When it is more, this load is more than 6, increasing, this is decreasing. Look at over here. Power is decreasing. Something like over here. When you are decreasing, power will be decreasing. When you are increasing, power will be also decreasing. on one point the maximum power will be occur where Rth is equal to RL. This is the value of RL. What's the question? So don't buy a big, loudspeaker for your car when it is not matched your system.
Yes, sir.
It should be match your system for the maximum sound output. Or as an engineer, when you connect some transmitting antennas or something like output load, you will consider this phenomena that your load should be matched your system or thermal for maximum power transfer. Understand my point?